For British birdwatchers and nature lovers, northern France is a really interesting part of the world, because even though we're so close to Great Britain, arriving in Calais for example, we're only about an hour down the coast. You can find a lot of species in this part of the world that aren't present in Great Britain. Spring's probably the best season to come to the Marquenterre Nature Reserve and the Somme Bay in general, for two reasons really. Firstly, migration, so birds are heading north, and a lot of these birds stop off in the region before heading on further north. Quite naturally we're on their migration highway. For many other species we're in their nesting grounds, so they stop here in order to breed. You're almost guaranteed to see birds such as spoonbills, the little egrets, the storks of course, and also a whole range of passerines, a whole range of small birds such as blue throat and crested tit, birds that are quite difficult to find over in the UK. Several birds that British birdwatchers come specifically to see over here we also got a good chance of seeing, such as golden oriole, black woodpecker, middle spotted woodpecker. Well, they do breed here quite commonly in the region. And May, June, early July is really a good time of year to try and find them. You'll be able to watch storks and spoonbills and herons nesting together in the same space.
Now, how can I tell the difference?
The beak's really characteristic.
Yes.
With me being a British guide, then it's a pleasure for me to guide British-speaking bird watchers around the reserve. You can hear the storks beak clapping just behind us. They're tapping their beaks together to communicate. That's nice.